Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to grow spirulina at home. First, select a clean, transparent container, such as a 10-gallon aquarium or a large plastic tub. Next, find a location that provides consistent, indirect light or set up a dedicated grow light. Finally, prepare your specialized growth medium. This solution, rich in essential nutrients, is crucial for your spirulina to thrive and multiply effectively. Let's dive into the details.
Now, let's connect the positive cables. Take one red clamp and securely attach it. Hey everyone, if you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more useful guides. On another note, quick recommendation. Life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough, they even come with a lifetime warranty. You can find a link to these amazing socks and other deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video. For the negative connections, take one black clamp and attach it to the negative terminal of the good battery. The final black clamp should connect to an unpainted metal surface on your dead Kia Optima, away from the battery. This creates a safe ground connection, preventing sparks near the battery itself. With all cables connected, start the assisting vehicle and let it run for about 5 minutes. This allows the good battery to transfer some charge. Then, try starting your Kia Optima. Once it starts, disconnect the cables in reverse order. Remove the negative clamps first, then the positive clamps. You're all set.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.